Welcome to the world of speed, quality, and innovation. Welcome to Go Speedy Go. Let's dive into what makes us your #1 choice for automotive services and franchise opportunities. Go Speedy Go, GSG, is an innovative unit of Hyferk Technologies PVT Ltd, registered under the Ministry of Corporate Affairs. Based out of Odisha, GSG is a certified startup under Startup India, DICCI certified, with proud affiliations with NASSCOM and CII. Our official partners, including DICCI, Mudra, CGTMSE, SIDBIS, KVIC, and financial backing from the State Bank of India, help us deliver sustainable, end-to-end automotive services. We provide end-to-end services, from spare parts and consumables to car insurance and used car sales and purchases. With our ISO 9001-2015 certification, we meet the highest quality standards in the automobile industry. Founded in year, Go Speedy Go has become a fast-growing name in the automotive service industry. With a presence across cities, we're making a significant impact by providing comprehensive automotive services and building strong relationships with our clients. Our objective is clear: to provide fast, reliable, and high-quality automotive services. We aim to empower entrepreneurs by offering franchise opportunities that are both profitable and easy to manage while ensuring customer satisfaction. Our mission is to bring speed, efficiency, and reliability to the automotive service sector. We envision a future where Go Speedy Go is a household name, known for top-tier customer service, seamless franchise operations, and continuous innovation. We have 2 exciting franchise project options for aspiring partners: the Rs 10 lakhs and Rs 15 lakhs franchise projects. Our mobile service van offers a complete range of services, ensuring convenience and flexibility for our customers. Here's what we provide: our workshop on wheels, WOW, is designed to provide on-site services with maximum efficiency, equipped with skilled technicians and all necessary tools. It offers. Our service model is built around simplicity and efficiency. From spare parts to used car sales, our franchisees have access to a wide range of products and services that are easy to manage and scale. We provide full training, marketing support, and a comprehensive operations manual to ensure every franchise runs smoothly. Our service life cycle starts with onboarding and training, followed by regular support, marketing initiatives, and quality control checks. Every part of the process is designed to maximize efficiency and ensure long-term success for our franchise partners. Our business model is simple yet effective. We provide a scalable franchise system that allows entrepreneurs to focus on growth while GSG supports you with logistics, operations, and marketing. Our model is designed to keep costs low while maximizing revenue through our variety of services. Our revenue model is built on multiple streams: service fees, product sales, royalties, and more. Our franchisees have the opportunity to generate income from multiple avenues, including recurring revenue from services like car insurance and spare parts sales. We offer flexible franchise models to suit different needs and investment levels. Retail model, ideal for high-traffic locations, offering full-service automotive care. Mobile model, perfect for on-the-go entrepreneurs looking for flexibility and low overhead. Service-based model, focused on delivering specific services like insurance and spare parts. We're proud to be associated with key partners like NASSCOM, CII, DICCI, Mudra, CGTMSE, and KVICI. These partnerships allow us to provide the best resources, support, and financial backing to our franchisees. Are you passionate about business and ready to take the leap? At Go Speedy Go, we're looking for dedicated, entrepreneurial-minded individuals to join our family. You don't need prior experience, just the drive to succeed, and we'll provide the rest. To get started with your Go Speedy Go franchise, here's what we'll need. Here, proof of identification, 2, jotted. Business registration, documents. Financial statements, 4. Franchise agreement, 5. Non-disclosure agreement. NDA 6, proof of initial investment. Once you've gathered these documents, we'll get the wheels rolling and fast-track your journey to success. At Go Speedy Go, we're not just building businesses, we're building futures. Join us today and take the first step towards a fast, reliable, and rewarding franchise opportunity.